What's going on, everybody? I'm Terrence, and this is Bank Shipping. All right, good morning, good morning, good morning. Like always, if you ain't up, go ahead and get up and start that grind. Ain't got no time to waste. But we are here at our pickup. Got a call about it the other day asking me if I could run this. Never ran this before. It's only like the third or fourth time that I've ran for this particular broker, but we've done some good work in the past. So he asked me if I could run this, gave me a good rate, so why not? What it is some pallets of stone, 12 pallets of stone, and coming in at about 24,000 pounds. So this is actually the heaviest load that I've had to date. Kind of wanted it a little further back on my trailer, you know, but it is what it is. The guy, forklift operator, didn't seem like he was in a good mood today when I told him I wanted it further back. But you know, things happen, people get angry, people aren't feeling good in the morning. Don't really give you an excuse, kind of got to get over that, but it is what it is. I ain't gonna let that ruin my day or harp on my day. You know, nothing is really wrong with the way that it is. I just wanted it back further for my comfort a little bit, but you know, things happen. I'm not going to harp over it. It's where it's at. That's where it's going to stay. That's where I strapped it down. So we are in Hagerstown, Maryland. We're going to take this to Richmond, Virginia, get down there, get this offloaded, and then we have another load to come back and get that goes to Jersey on Monday from the customer of Insulation. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit the road. I'll catch y'all down in Richmond. All right, guys, it is late. Hit a bunch of traffic coming back from Richmond, and had to wait a while for it to get loaded at the customer. But we are loaded for Monday. Got a 3-stop going to Jersey. So we're done getting loaded. We're strapped down and everything, so let's ride. tell y'all, thank God it's Friday. Sure has been a long day, but can't really complain. Got to you know, take that load down to Richmond. Like I said, it was 24,000 a couple pounds, so I kind of got to see, you know, what the old girl would do. Took it up Interstate 70 and from Hagerstown over to Frederick, because I wanted to go up the mountain, kind of climb up the mountain, see how she would do, instead of giving her a easy day. And she did great. I ain't got no complaints. I don't think she does either. Pulled it like I didn't even know it was back there, to be honest with you. It kind of rode better. I mean, because like it was, you know, it was stone, so it was nice and low on the trailer. It almost rode better than what the what this insulation does. The nice low profile loads. That's what I like. All these guys camping out for the night. That's one good thing about this customer is, you know, even though they take forever to load, it's right down the road from where I park. So, you know, it's not that big of a deal if I'm, you know, late leaving or whatever, because I just take a hop, skip, and a jump, and I'm back home. Park the truck, hop in the car, and that's all it is to it. All right, guys, so we are back at the yard. It's kind of dark in the truck a little bit. You know, the one light that I have, kind of got to hold the camera at a weird angle to kind of get my face or shadow of my face or whatever. So I'm not going to keep you guys too long. Actually, I don't know really what happened there, but whatever. I'm not going to keep you guys too long because I'm not going to hold the camera in this awkward angle so that you guys can see me. But we got back to the yard safely. Tried to give you guys a little bit of driving footage, a little bit of hearing the kitty cat purr and a little bit of the Jakes. So the truck is you know, we've set for a little bit, so she's nice and cooled down. We get ready to shut her down for the weekend. Got to come back, do a couple things to her over the weekend. Got to do some things to my trailer that I've been meaning to get done. So you got a productive weekend ahead. And I noticed on the channel that we have that I've reached 1,500 subscribers. So shout out to you guys. Super thankful for everything that you guys have done with helping the channel grow, helping me grow, just seeing the support and everything from you all. Keep it up. You know, if you're not a subscriber of the channel, go ahead and subscribe, like, all that good stuff. Comment, let me know if there's something that you want me to go over, or a specific question, or, you know, a certain idea for a video, you know, that you guys may have. Feel free to comment below, and I'll see if I can get to that and make that thing happen. You know, so I just wanted to express my gratitude and let you guys know how thankful I am for you all. You know, without you all, I wouldn't have this channel. So thank you. You know, it goes a long way. You know, thankfulness and gratitude. You know, they say those two things are a way to a happy heart. You know, that plays a big part. So, you know, this weekend, be thankful for everything that you have. Be thankful for everything that you don't have. You know, there are people who are out there who are a whole lot worse off than what you are, don't have the things that you have. So be thankful for everything that you have. You know, I say it all the time to my kids. I talk to my mom and stuff about it, talk to my wife. You know, I may not be where I want to be right now, but I'm thankful for not being where I used to be. So keep that in mind. Tell that to yourself. You know, when you're having a hard day, just know that you're on your way up. You know, you're not who you used to be. You're not where you used to be. You're on your way up. So be thankful for every little bit that you got. So with that being said, hope everybody has a great weekend, and stay prayed up, grind hard, stay humble.